Hey guys, so today I'm gonna try to make chocolate bananas. Chocolate bananas are good for the summer. And so the reason why I want to make chocolate bananas, like I know they have them in Japan, but they also have them at Disneyland. And I really like the ones at Disneyland, and I'm like, I want some frozen bananas. So I'm gonna make my own frozen bananas. First, I got two cameras going on. You need the banana, and then you can get like different, and you'll need chocolate or any kind, like you get white chocolate or dark chocolate, whichever you want. And then you can get like toppings, like I'm gonna use peanuts and walnuts. You can use sprinkles or whatever. You need sticks in order to stick the banana on the stick. You need something to put it on, either aluminum or parchment paper, so the bananas, so it won't stick on it. So first, let's get this. I'm gonna rip it like so I can put it on my mat. There we go. Make it. It's not very pretty, but it will do. Then we get firm bananas, firm ripe bananas. You can get two. Very good. You get a knife. There's a knife. I have a knife. So since I have a knife, this recipe is rated PG, parental guidance. I'm old, so I don't need parental guidance, right, Faith? Me and my sister today. So you're gonna open the banana. You're gonna peel it naked. You're gonna peel your banana like so. You're gonna cut it in half like so. I think it'll fit. And we cut it this in half. There we go. Now you get your sticks. I have a really long stick because we use this for barbecue, so that's why it's really long, but it's okay. Should I cut it in half? I'm scared. That's fine. I'm so good. DIY, make your own sticks. Half a stick. Oh, but get right in the middle. Oh, I did it again! No, keep poking too much hole. Use my strong right. There. If you can, try to get smaller sticks or try to make them even. Unlike me. This might be a safety hazard. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this. So cute! Okay. Maybe you shouldn't be cutting them in half. Oh well, I'm doing it. Don't do what I do for this thing. Get your own sticks. Have a parent watching you. That knows what's best. Okay. And then we're gonna put this in the freezer for 15 minutes. Open the garage. The garage is scary, so I need someone to come with me. If I don't survive. Can you turn? Can you turn on the light for me? Thank you. Here we go. So we're gonna freeze this. Hey! I'm gonna beat her up. So make sure no one is there. Okay, no one's there. Okay. So we're gonna put this in the freezer for 15 minutes. My fridge is very full, but we shall put it where should I put this? So while the banana is freezing, we're gonna melt our chocolate. So get a bowl, a microwavable bowl. Let me find a bowl. I got a bowl. Get your chocolate chips or any kind of chocolate you're gonna use. We're gonna open this. Which would be better if I use this one or this one? Use this one instead, because it's already open. We're gonna put this in the microwave. You're gonna do it for 30 seconds and then you take it out and then you stir. And then you put it back in for 30 seconds more and then stir it again to become smooth.
Okay. Come with me.
Okay. Is this my camera? Who's gonna help me with this? Banana, 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 banana. Oh, then we stir it. See, it's kind of melting. We stir it a bit. See, it's kind of melting. Stirring, 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 stirring. You're making chocolate. Stirring, stirring, stirring. I like to stir chocolate. Choco, 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 choco. And then you put it back in the microwave. And you do it one more time. And start waiting, waiting, waiting. We're waiting for chocolate. The frozen bananas. Can we just stir it? Ooh, look, I see it's stirring really good. We need to quickly move all the camera stuff over to the other station. Okay, we're gonna get this one banana. We're gonna dip it in this chocolate. Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh no! No, the banana's falling now! I'll put this right here. Since the chocolate makes the banana much harder or heavier, we need the help of our lucky spoon to help carry it. Move it over to here. We're gonna get some of the sprinkles and just sprinkle it on. If I can open it. We're just gonna like... Oh, that's a lot. I think I did too much. I feel like you should probably, maybe you should mix the nuts in the chocolate and then put it on. Maybe that would be better. This is how we do it. And then you're gonna put it in the freezer again for 30 minutes so they can, yeah. No, Sammy, you can't have any. These are chocolate. Dogs can't have chocolate. It's bad for you. Chocolate's bad for doggies. We're gonna open this. Gabby Concepcion, popular Filipino actor back in the day. My mom likes it. Let's open it. We're gonna put them in a nice safe spot. Oh, my battery. Leave it there for 30 minutes. So the bananas are done. It's 30 minutes. Let's go. Okay. Baby, the pizza. I mean, not pizza. What is it? The banana should be done. Get out the freezer. Ooh, pretty. They look like artwork. Foodie artwork. They're done! Yay! Now it's the food testing. You want to join me, Sarah? I don't think the nuts are fit or not. Good one. What do you think? Tell me, what is that?
I mean, it's a chocolate banana.
But is it delicious though?
Yes.
See, it's a delicious. My sister says so. I think next time I should try to mix the nuts with the chocolate so it won't be like this.
You should freeze the bananas longer.
How long would you suggest then?
30 minutes.
It was 30 minutes.
I won't let them.
I put it in there for 30 minutes.
But you put it in there for 15. Before.
Yeah. So you want me to do 30 twice? You said 30 twice then. So, 5 out of 5, what would you give it, Faye?
A 4.5.
I'm the real chef in this household.
Yeah, no one can make chocolate bananas.
But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this a thumbs up if you do. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. We're gonna make like a banana and split.
You're nuts.
Okay, bye.